Jace Tunnell here. Today we've got something called sea pansies. If you haven't heard of these sea pansies before, they're actually, well, okay, before I tell you what they are, I'm just gonna show you what they look like up close. So I'm gonna have some close-up video of this so that while you're watching this, you can kind of guess what these are. They're flat, floppy, pretty small. This one's probably like an inch. It looks like it has little lobes on it. I found a few of these. Here's another one. It's shaped like a heart. They're all purple. It looks like they have little like holes and stuff around there. And then here's another one, real small. It looks like it might have broken off. It was like this one had lobes. This was probably like a lobe that was on there on another one. But I just found these in the high tide line. Okay, now for the big reveal of what this is. This is actually a soft coral. A coral that is made of a bunch of different animals called polyps. They all have different functions, but it can be found in the sand. Sometimes they'll have a little layer of sand over them. They do have, whenever they're alive, they'll have like tentacles and stuff on there that come off that allow for plankton and stuff like that to be able to be caught and eaten. Now this little thing doesn't look like much when you find it. So this sea pansy, if I put this thing in the water, just drop it in here, and I always like to carry a glass with me because the things that you see that come alive, and so if you find one of these that's just washing up, you put it in here. When you look close at this thing, it's going to look like it has sea anemones coming out of its pores. Like they come out, and that's how they feed. And so they feed on plankton that are in the water column. And it is the most amazing thing you've ever seen. Now they also have what's called a peduncle that comes off of it, and it looks like a tail or something, but it's a polyp and it can move, and that's how they anchor into the sand. You might have actually seen these before and not known what it was. You might have thought it was just like maybe a piece of plastic maybe, but it's actually a soft coral. So hopefully you learned something new today that you hadn't seen before, because I don't see these that often, honestly. And part of it is because you really have to stop. You have to get down on your knees a lot of times in the high tide line and dig through a lot of stuff to be able to see these when you're beachcombing. So hopefully you learned something new today. Sea pansies. Okay, we'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.